Labis-labis nga ang tuwa na nararamdaman ngayon ni Ma Salvador. Dahil sa kanyang bagong role, ito ay bilang isang ina sa kanyang anak na si Maria with her husband, Rambo Nunez. Nanganak nga si Ma Salvador sa Canada noong June 1. Post nga na pasasalamat si Ma Salvador sa lahat ng tumulong sa kanila upang siya makaraos at manganak ng ligtas. Ayon nga sa kanyang post, at exactly a week ago, I experienced an intense 30-hour labor. 12 hours without epidural, 3 hours of pushing. Then, ended up having episiotomy and forceps, 2 contractions and 7 pushes. Later, we finally welcomed our baby Maria. Immediately, had 10 minutes of skin-to-skin contact with her. But biglang nagka-emergency. I had uterine inversion. Kaya kailangan nilang kunin sa akin si Maria at ibigay nila kay Rambo, who was seated helplessly next to my bed. 3 OBGYN were there, trying to put back my uterus manually, which led to blood loss of 3 to 4 liters. Then my blood pressure went down to 60/40. Sinabihan na lang nila ako na anytime I would have to go to operating room for surgery. That time, sabi ko na lang sa sarili ko na I can't do anything anymore. Ubus na ang lakas ko. Started praying Hail Mary. Paulit-ulit yon kahit wala na akong lakas. And miraculously, after the last attempt, one of my OBGYN succeeded in repositioning my uterus. Despite the challenging journey, gusto kong i-express ang gratitude to all the medical personnel na nandun noon, especially to the Filipino nurses who provided unwavering care and support to me. Ate Vanessa, Angela, Ate Gloria, Ate Christina, and Ate Beverly, thank you so much. To my Doola Grace, thank you for everything. You did your part beyond your job. You're amazing. Ang swerte kong kasama ko ang family ko dito sa Canada. Love you, Mama, Curvy, Martin, and Mom. See you soon, Ate Yans, Kuya, and Big Babies. Thank you also, Dina Babes and Yaya Lynn. To my husband, I love you. To my Maria, everything is worth it. I love you, anak. Dati na ngang magkasintahan si Ma Salvador at Rambo Nunez at nagkahiwalay noong 2010. After nga ng 8 taon ay muli silang nagkabalikan. In April 2022, Ma Salvador got engaged to her non-showbiz boyfriend. The couple got married twice in 2023. First in private ceremony in Manila, followed by another wedding in Bali. On December 1, 2023, the couple announced that they were expecting their first child. Their love story is like a teleserye that happened in real life, from exes to lifetime partners. The couple is finally on the road to happily ever after. Maha husband may not be highly visible to the public eye, but Rambo Nunez is the brainchild of many brand campaigns, such as Jollibee, AirAsia, Converse, and luxury watch Omega. Prior to his professional experience, Rambo graduated with bachelor degree in consular and diplomatic affairs from the De La Salle College of St. Benilde in 2008. He has been thriving in the marketing and public relations industry ever since. Hindi nga mapagsidlan ang tuwa ni Ma Salvador nang bumisita siya kay Darren Espanto sa Canada. Tuwang-tuwa nga si Ma Salvador na mag-Sharon Cuneta siya ng mga empanada. Ayon sa kanya ay miss na niya ang mga lutong Ilocano.